Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2015 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail Classic in vivid black. Starting up at the top, we have these aftermarket levers, both sides by Flow, and they've got tons of adjustability. Nice tall windshield. There's additional panels on the side. Nice and bright white walled tires, engine guards with the highway pegs so that you can stretch out. Those beautiful older classic heritage bags with the studs on top. This one also has the heel toe shifter. Of course, we're on that 103 cubic inch engine. And we've got the bag on the tank also for maybe insurance, registration, little documents like that. Again, 2015. Looks beautiful, very well taken care of. Come check it out. We're open 6 days a week for test rides.